What's up guys, my name is Logan and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss the Naked Wrap for the iPad Pro 12.9 inch 2018 model. I ordered this about a week or so ago, so it took about a week to get in. Inside it's very basic. You have a little container of solution as well as the SlickWrap 3M Controlic graphic marking system. So it's a 3M product, which is nice. And then they have the SlickWrap logos right there. First off, I want to say thank you to the person who commented recommending that we look into this. I don't know how long this is going to take to do, but we're going to try to get it on there pretty quick. Now, I watched the YouTube video a couple times actually that they provide. I'll put a link down below for that as well. Seems really simple, but I'm sure it's not that easy. So the SlickWrap Naked Wrap for the iPad Pro includes two back-only skins, CAD designed specifically to offer laser-precise coverage, self-healing, flexible, tough, military-grade, thermoplastic urethane developed to absorb impact, scratch-proof, puncture, UV-resistant, and will not yellow. So hopefully it won't yellow. I don't really know how we'll actually test that one out. Easy, air-proof, and bubble-free installation. We'll see about that. Liquid solution allows adjustments during installation. If it's like the Zag Invisible Shields, that's true. Which I don't think Zag even really includes the solution anymore. It's made here in the United States. There's no reviews on their website yet. It's very odd. They offer 50% off. The item is currently going for $59.95, but then you get 50% off. And there's like a countdown at the top of the website that just keeps restarting. So it's like it's always 50% off. Not really quite sure about that. So like right now, it says there's 2 hours left. But I know that once the hour and 57 minutes is up, it'll just be right back to the beginning. But I have my iPad Pro. It's very dirty. The reason that I really wanted something like this was I enjoy using the Apple keyboard case, which uses the smart connector, and I needed something that would not prevent the smart connector from being blocked, which this featured that. So let's slide this open. Stop. slickwraps.com/install. So this is the video that SlickWrap provides. It's pretty straightforward. They did a pretty good job explaining how to do it. We'll see if it's actually as easy as they say it is. Yeah, this is the item in this weird countdown. But let's see where this website is. slickwraps.com/install. So it takes you to just an install video, which are links to the YouTube videos. I do not see... oh, tablets. Yeah, so there's the video right there. Same one. So if you want to check it out, actually I'll just do that. slickwraps.com/install, so you can check out all the different SlickWraps they provide. They actually make a good... what? Xbox? That's kind of unique. You can... what makes SlickWrap so cool is they have these different designs. So for the iPad Pro, I mean, look at all these different designs you can choose from. I mean, it's pretty unique. So I guess you could do this for the Xbox. That's kind of cool. This is the Naked Wrap, so it should just keep it looking just like a regular iPad. This is the matte color. It's a nice material. I do like that. Very... it's not the glossy kind of plasticky feel. It's like a very smooth material. We have the plastic applied to the rear of the iPad. So now the question is does this still work? Magnets work great. So that is very nice. The main purpose for me was to get these edges protected, which now I've got to figure out that since I did not get the edges. But yeah. It's very nice material. I like the matte color. I mean, it's clear, it's not that color, but you guys know what I mean. I just really wish I would have had the corners, because that was the big one for me. Oh wait, there's one more thing. I almost forgot. There's a camera. Little piece. Let's make sure we activate the adhesive. Adhesive activated. There is some discolorations in the plastic on the back. I'm hoping that'll kind of go away in the next couple days. But overall, I mean, it is a nice back. I believe it will protect it from scratches. But like I said, it's kind of pointless without the sides. Hopefully somebody at SlickWraps will see this video and decide to start including the sides with the clear one. One other issue that I felt is they didn't provide the best customer service. I had the duplicate order issue. I still, to this day, have the duplicate order issue. Not sure how I'm going to handle that. I did end up receiving 2 packages from them on different days. So that didn't make sense to me anyways. But that whole duplicate order thing didn't make sense. I did ask them if they wanted to send me a shipping label to send this duplicate order back. Clearly just a duplicate order. I feel like since I reached out to them literally for 4 days, but 2 business days before the item shipped, they shouldn't have shipped the second order, but they did. So that, to me, that's kind of on them. I can't really help that they don't. Maybe they're just really busy. I don't know. The discount on their website, the 50% off, I don't know how long that's going to be good for. Like I said, the timer keeps resetting over and over and over and over. So I don't know if it's just a marketing deal. I don't know. That didn't make sense to me. But they are 50% off. So that brings these down to whatever this is on the screen right here. It was easy to install. It just had to get it right. The material does kind of self-heal, which is nice. That is the SlickWrap for the iPad Pro. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. After you subscribe, hit the bell. That way you can get notified of all my latest videos. You can also check me out online at loganstechreview.com. I'm also on Twitter at LoganTechReview. There's no S in that. And I'm on Instagram at Logan'sTechReview. I really hope you'll check me out on all my channels. Follow me. And we'll see you next time.